How can I help you?
Hi, I wanted to place an order for takeout, please.
Absolutely. What can I get you?
Can I get the French toast special, please?
No problem. How do you like your eggs done?
Poached hard, please.
No problem. So side of home fries and a side of Hollander?
Yes, please.
Perfect. And did you want anything to drink or are you okay?
No, thank you.
Perfect. May I just have your name? Maia. Perfect. So French toast special, poached hard with bacon, strawberries on top, a side of home fries and a side of Hollandaise, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. It'll be about 20 minutes. Is that okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
Great. We'll see you soon. Thank you.
Okay, see you.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, me Maia, and today I'm starting a vlog for the first time with my new camera. So if you can tell, the quality is good. I have a new camera, but I will talk about that in another video at another time. But today is my 21st birthday and I'm looking like a rat because I'm laying my edges, but I'm going to get breakfast, getting some takeout of my favorite breakfast place. And yeah, that's the first thing on the itinerary, and then we have to pick up, oh sorry, I'm shaking so much, I'll put you guys down. And then I have to go pick up my cake. I'm really hungry right now. I waited too long in bed. I need to go get some food before I die. It's hot.
Nice three guys.
Tried to do a side bang.
I know. You look good, honey. Is that your hair for the day, you think?
No. Just my hair for a little bit.
Me too. I'm just gonna have you braid it up real quick, mine.
So my sister is making me a mimosa.
I gotta pop this cork.
Get that, get that.
That's scary.
Get that.
I'm gonna do it.
Don't do it near me. Turn directions. Come on, it's not a joke. Why did you do it towards the wall? That could have hit me. That could have bounced off the wall and hit both of us in our face.
Okay, all's well. That was the scariest experience of my fucking life. Why do they do it like that?
Look at the cats all come around. Don't let them get drunk.
That scared the shit out of me.
Look at the cats all looking confused, discombobulated.
I'm like afraid now, but anyway.
Okay, so that's why I don't drink champagne.
Yeah.
I usually stick to
Let
wine.
me get this slipper.
And guys, I know I just turned 21, but I've been drinking because I'm Canadian. So this is not my first drink. You lose half the champagne when that shit come out.
It's just some fun. That wasn't too much.
Oh, y'all can't even see. This lens is very small.
That isn't even here.
That is dead. Should I make yours too?
No, I'll make it.
First drink. I haven't even had food yet. Getting out to the rasta. Oh, the French toast looks so good. I'm gonna leave them in there. They put so much strawberries on top. My golly goodness.
Aww.
There's a voice inside of me. Set it free, set it free, set it free. If you know what that is, you are my age or older.
Even with giving me these, I'm probably shocked if you could finish that shit.
And his own private island. On top of all that, he also...
Okay guys, mini business haul coming up. They really know how to pack it up in one box. Okay. We've got hibiscus flowers for days. Look at that. Excellent. And a fourth one. This should be enough hibiscus for a long time. Then I got refill pigments. Oh no, these are new ones. This is white powder and brown powder to try and make brown lip glosses. Yes, olive butter, vanilla flavor. I got a bigger container. Vitamin E oil. Thank the Lord. Yeah, this time I have, this is bleached jojoba oil because they didn't have yellow. Avocado oil. Man, they really fit this all. That old lady carried this. Fractionated coconut oil, witch hazel. Got that as well. Sunflower oil. And this is what I'm the most like curious about. Rosemary water, which is for my toner. What does rosemary water smell like? That smells good. Oh my gosh. It's rosemary floral water. Ever heard of that? Me? This is what I call a restock. Okay, so now my sister and I are going to the mall and to pick up the cake, but I'm not gonna bring the camera just because I don't want it to overheat in the car while we're in the mall. So I will see you guys when I'm probably getting ready for the day. I just got home from going to get my cake, and then we went to the mall because this is, my city just went to phase 2, so the mall just opened, and it was completely empty because no one really knew that they switched to phase 2. So I went to my favorite store, and I got a lot of stuff. I went to H&M, and they had a really great sale. So I got a lot of clothes, but you'll be seeing that in a clothing haul, my summer clothing haul, because I've gotten a lot of clothes over quarantine. Okay, so while I was in the mall, my friend called me with her cousins, and they sang me happy birthday. And then my friend, she's so sweet. She sent me bubble tea to my house, because we're bubble tea addicts. And then she sent me this burger place that we love to go to. She sent me that too. And it's a different burger than I get. It's her favorite burger. So I'm gonna eat it, and I'm gonna see, I hope, I'm gonna like it, because we like have the same taste. And then I have my cake right here. It says happy 21st birthday, Mikey, yeah. And it's got purple piping because I love the color purple. And then my mom doesn't know how to use Facebook. She's had it for over a decade. Not really, but she doesn't know how to use it, but she made her first solo post. So I'm gonna go see what she did because she called me to say, "Aw, baby pictures." To my beautiful daughter, Maia, happy 21st birthday. I'm very proud of the young woman you have become. May God continue to bless you always. You will always be my little Mai. I haven't been called Mai in ages. And she included pictures of me as a baby. I was so freaking cute. I look like you here, kind of.
Me?
Like when you were, I'm like a lighter skin you from when you were a baby. Oh, a 7 head. What the hell is that? My hairline grew. Look at it. It's kind of broken up. Like it was supposed to be lower. On 3 and 4. 4 years old. I got some hair on my head. I was ugly here. Yeah. This is the age that I got fuck ugly. My teeth were just too big for my head. Oh God.
Who is using my bread and not closing it up?
Not me. I don't eat whole grain, not me.
Annoying.
I don't eat whole grain, not me.
You're so bugged.
You wanted to know music. Okay, hey everyone. So I'm out of breath because I'm out of shape. Anyways, so I just got back down to my room. I tried on this dress that I bought at H&M. It's really cute, but I'm not wearing it today. But quickly before I get ready, I'm going to show you what I got at Sephora. Because they let you now. I don't know if this is for good, but you could use 10% of your points, 500 of your points, and get $10 off, which that's like, thank you, I have so many points. Got this rose quartz roller for like lymphatic drainage, defined chin, you know. Got this brown eyeliner that I'm going to use as a lip pencil. Best clear gloss in Sephora is Lucid Dreams by Sephora. I got this Sephora Micro Smooth Finishing Powder. This is one that Alyssa Ashley raves about, so I bought it. I also got a sample of the Laura Mercier because I've never tried it, so I want to try the translucent setting powder. This is really good. This is the Sephora Collection Vitamin C and E Vitamin Serum. This is good. It makes you glow. And then I got the birthday gift. And I got all of that with $10 off. So now I'm going to go put on my robe and go do my makeup. No matter how or where I'm from. Oh, taking my bra off too. A girl can't breathe. How much time has come? Okay, so here's the robe that I wear every year on my birthday. Because it's cute. It's glamorous. And I'm going to head to the washroom while you guys charge up so you can see the rest of tonight. But yeah, I will see you guys after. Oh, look at my nail. I did it myself. Nail tech on fleek. Say hi. Not you. So we're on our way to my mom's house. And then after this, we're going to take a photo shoot. Kai got all dressed up. Bells are cute, eh? It's really cute.
Nice. Look nice. Here's your stuff, Maia. Yes, did you know I had all those pictures?
No. Oh, thank you, Mom. This would be nice in my nail room.
Yeah.
Pretty decoration.
Yeah.
Should I read it out loud?
Yeah.
Sorry. Happy birthday, daughter, with love. You're such a special daughter who can make gray skies seem blue. And somehow you put sunshine into everything you do. Sorry. Your early days were magical, and each day as you grow, as you've grown, you've made life even brighter with that sparkle of your own. You're loving and so thoughtful with a happy, caring heart, so you deserve a birthday that is lovely from the start. It's been a great day. Love always, Mom and Grandma. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Just open dance all day.
So that is some drama.
Oh, that's a cute, Grandma. It's so like flapper era.
Yeah.
Wow. Pretty. Yeah, all of this is giving me 20s vibes. It's so pretty, Grandma. Thank you.
Okay.
It's real nice.
And it's silver. Pipes?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
Did you make this?
Yeah.
Is that bag?
Yeah, it's a bag.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That is cool. Wow, good job, Mom.
Yeah.
You made that in, huh?
Yeah, it's nice. Is it reversible?
It could be reversible, yeah.
Wow. Pretty.
Yeah.
Mom, you should really make these. I like the print on the inside
Yeah.
especially. Thank you, Mama.
Yeah. Yeah, you like my pants?
I don't know how to vlog.
What do you mean? You gotta learn.
You're vlogging out there.
I've been vlogging all day. I mean, but I haven't been talking that much to the camera.
Yes, you have.
What do I say?
Like we're on our way to take pictures.
Hello.
Greened.
Okay,
It's like all
so
grass.
currently we have just gotten to the park
Okay.
and we are going to find a picture location.
It's not up there.
And yeah, I'm vlogging in public for the first time. I'm walking on gravel with the wrong type of shoes. Wish me luck.
As I said to myself.
It's like dripping to the ground.
Me too. He's over there.
And the G's?
That little short thing right there is my brother.
We see you. I just said, he said like around the pond. I said, we see you. I start on Tuesday at 6:15 a.m.
Ooh,
You didn't get
that's the
any
autofocus.
photos
Look
from
at that.
The 18th.
What was that?
She's gonna have to send.
Say hi to the vlog.
Awful.
Say hi to the vlog.
Sick.
Photo shoot is going super well. My brother's taken and hijacked my camera. So I'm gonna vlog the rest on my phone. And I'm being watched because I'm vlogging in public.
Making a video?
Mm-hmm.
You know, we out here taking beautiful pictures all by me because I'm a
You ain't taking
photographer.
shit. You ain't taking a single photo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maia. Happy birthday to you. Forever Michael Jackson. MJ forever.
How you feeling?
Good.
MJ forever.
21's gonna be the best year of my life.
Yeah, that's right.
That's far. It will always get better.
Finish school, get that clientele. Start making
Start a
money,
business.
Yeah.
Eat this cake is the first task, but you know. And then there were two. Okay. So my mom and my sister, my mom and my brother went home, and my sister's in her room, and now it's just me and Xavier drinking some wine.
Don't say my government name.
Me and my boyfriend drinking some wine, and we're just chilling. We're gonna just have a chill rest of the night.
Well,
But yeah, today's a good day. I don't know if this was the best vlog. It's my first actual vlog that I actually managed to finish a full day.
first full day vlog.
Yeah, I've never done that before. I was
I'm
shy.
not sure I do. I'm bored inside. I'd be like, you know, we sit here playing video games out here.
Today was a good birthday. Move this. Today was a good birthday. I'm super happy. I'm blessed to be 21 years old. And yeah,
I'm looking good too.
Thank you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.